Meaning of half-day.
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 Half-day. The term half-day generally refers to a period of time that is half of a full day, typically either morning or afternoon. This can have different connotations depending on the context in which it is used. For example, it could refer to an abbreviated work schedule, where an employee only works for half a day. Alternatively, it could refer to a shorter duration of an event or activity, such as a half-day tour or half-day conference. Essentially, it implies that a certain period of time will be shorter than usual, and will typically last for a few hours rather than a full day.